bitch! Ebony! Open up the door, bitch! No, you ain't. You always sleeping with somebody's man. You not sorry. Open up the door. Open up the door, bitch. You know what? I ain't even mad at you. It's my fault. I knew you was a hoe. I knew you was a hoe before you came up in here. I should have never let you live with me. And Lance. I should have never brought you around Lance. Open up the door, bitch. Matter of fact, I'm going to my mama's house till I find a place.